Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can adjust the instrument panel brightness on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how you can do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. First of all, just look on the left side of your steering wheel, and then as you can see guys right here, you're going to find all of these buttons. Depending on which options you have on your car, you're gonna find a lot of buttons right here, like the traction control and the automatic light right here. And as you can see guys, here you're going to find the option to adjust the instrument brightness. So in order to adjust it, as you can see guys, there is a little wheel right here. So just go ahead and try to roll it, and as you can see guys, you can increase or decrease your light right here. So if you want to increase it, just roll down, and as you can see guys, you can change the brightness, and here are a lot of degrees. For example, there is the 0 level, and you can increase it to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the maximum is going to be 5. So basically guys, this was the quick tutorial. If you guys find this video helpful, just subscribe and like the video, and see you guys in the next video.